Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face of affordable makeup. And this makeup is really good quality even though it is at a lower price point. I've had to take many breaks during this video, so sorry about that because I'm in so much pain. This is literally the only time I've been able to get out of bed all day, and I know it doesn't look like I'm in a lot of pain because I have makeup on, but trust me, I am, and I'm going to put my neck brace on right now and go lay right back down. Please make sure to subscribe down below and go ahead and hit that like button. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So to start out, I'm going to be priming my face, and this is my favorite affordable primer because it is hydrating, and this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. While I am letting the primer sink into my skin, I'm going to do my eyes. So to prime my eyes, I'm going to be using the NYX HD Concealer. And then before I do my eyeshadow, just to get it done with and out of the way, I'm going to do my eyebrows. So I'm using the NYX Tame and Frame Eyebrow Pomade. And I'm going to be using the ColourPop brush, the E6. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using the Coty Airspun Translucent Powder. The reason I'm doing my eyes first is because I don't want fallout all over my foundation. Okay, now I'm going to take the Morphe 25B eyeshadow palette, and for my transition shade, I'm going to be taking this shade in the middle and apply that in my crease. And I'm using another ColourPop brush. This is the E2. Next, I'm going in with this color and I'm adding that to the crease as well. Next, I'm going to go into this Milani palette and I'm going to use the black shade. You can see how dirty this palette gets, and that's why I did my eyes first, and then you can see how dirty the brush is. Next, I'm going into the ColourPop Semi Precious palette, and I am going to be putting this shade, which is called Up and Atom, and I'm going to put it all over my eyelid. Alright, now I am going to be doing eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the LA Colors eyeliner, and this is only $1. Okay, for mascara, this is probably my favorite mascara from the drugstore. It is the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara, and I'm going to apply this to my upper and lower lashes. I'm going to pop on these Ardell Demi Wispy lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, I wiped away the fallout. So I popped on my lashes and I wiped away the fallout, and now I'm going to start with foundation. So this is the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation, and I am in the shade Ivory. Since this is a very matte foundation, if you have dry skin, you want to make sure that you moisturize and use a hydrating primer just so it doesn't get too cakey. It does have nice coverage. I am noticing that I'm getting a little bit cakey right in here, but this is pretty good, especially considering the price. And I think this is going to be a really good foundation if you have oily skin. So for concealer, I am going to be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and it is a little bit pink on me. Yeah, it's pink. Okay, to set it, I'm going back in with the Airspun powder. For bronzer, I'm using this e.l.f. bronzer in the shade Light Beige. For blush, I'm also going to be using an e.l.f. blush, and this is in the shade Twinkle Pink. For highlight, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Lunch Money Super Shock Highlighter, and these are really cool. They are really soft, like you can see my fingerprint, and ColourPop has been killing it lately with makeup. And for lips, I'm going to be using the Kathleen Lights Dream Street liquid lipstick. And since I did a natural look, I'm going to be doing a bold lip. So this is what I'm going to be using. And to finish off, I'm going to be spraying my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And this completes the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Don't forget to tell your friends to subscribe to my channel, because if you do, you can win the Kylie Cosmetics Weather Collection. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!